Welcome to our channel. Sling TV Error 4-310 indicates a network connectivity problem. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this streaming issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by running a speed test. Sling TV requires at least 5 megabits per second for SD quality and 25 megabits per second for multiple streams. Step 2. Restart your router by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait for all indicator lights to stabilize. Step 3. Move your streaming device closer to your Wi-Fi router if possible, or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for more stable connectivity. Step 4. Close the Sling TV app completely and force quit it to clear any temporary connection issues. Step 5. Restart your streaming device by turning it off completely, waiting 30 seconds, then powering it back on. Step 6. Check if other devices on your network are consuming excessive bandwidth. Pause downloads, updates, or other streaming services. Step 7. Disable any VPN or proxy services you're using, as these can interfere with Sling TV's network authentication. Step 8. Update your device's operating system and the Sling TV app to ensure you have the latest network compatibility fixes. Step 9. Check Sling TV's service status page or social media accounts to see if there's a known outage in your area. Step 10. Contact your internet service provider if network problems persist across multiple apps and devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.